So, you've heard of Stashway. Maybe you've even used it. But have you ever wondered, is Stashway actually a bank account? Let's dive into that question and clear up any confusion. Understanding financial institutions. Before we delve into Stashway, let's quickly recap what a traditional bank account is. A bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits, makes loans, and provides other financial services. When you open a bank account, you're essentially entrusting your money to the bank. They, in turn, use a portion of those deposits to lend out to others or invest. Stashway, a different kind of financial platform. Stashway, on the other hand, is a digital investment platform. It's a tech company that provides a platform for individuals to invest in various asset classes like stocks, mutual funds, and more. It's a bit like a digital broker. Key differences between Stashway and a bank account. Deposit insurance. Bank accounts. In many countries, bank deposits are insured up to a certain limit. This means that if the bank fails, your money is protected. Stashway doesn't offer deposit insurance. Your investments are subject to market risks. Interest rates. Bank accounts. Traditional bank accounts often offer interest rates on your deposits. This is how the bank earns money. Stashway doesn't pay interest on your investments. Instead, you aim to grow your wealth through capital appreciation. Risk and return. Bank accounts are generally considered low risk. While you may earn interest, the returns are typically modest. Investing through Stashway involves higher risk. However, the potential returns are also significantly higher. Liquidity. Bank accounts are highly liquid. You can withdraw your money at any time. Stashway, the liquidity of your investments depends on the underlying asset. While some investments can be sold quickly, others may take longer. So, is Stashway a bank account? No, Stashway is not a bank account. It's an investment platform that allows you to invest in a variety of assets. While it's a convenient tool for managing your investments, it's important to understand the risks involved. Why use Stashway? Accessibility. You can start investing with a small amount. Diversification. You can invest in a variety of assets to spread risk. Professional management. You can choose to invest in professionally managed funds. Convenience. The platform is user-friendly and accessible from anywhere. A word of caution. Before you start investing, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to get personalized advice. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.